Damian Restaurant by taller ADG Alonso de Garay plus MDB Micaela De Bernardí in Los Angeles, United States. Damian is found within the Arts District of Los Angeles, California. This zone currently holds an outstanding number of repurposed industrial warehouses, which have brought new businesses, such as art galleries, workshops, restaurants, and coffee shops, preserving the neighborhood's essence. Having become a hot spot for the culinary culture, filled with art on every corner, displaying buildings with beautiful brick walls, as well as factories and warehouses built at the beginning of the 20th century. The restaurant lies in the intervention of an old warehouse, preserving the building's original configuration, thus producing a modern space with an industrial setting, creating a unique place to dine at. Thanks to the vegetation and greenery, a unique environment is created, giving the sensation of inhabiting a space carved by time and nature. The restaurant is divided into 4 sections: the main dining area inside the industrial complex, the central terrace. Surrounded by buildings and warehouses, the kitchen is located on the ground floor of an already existing building, and a backyard that serves a small taco shop called Detroit. On the back, a dining room reserved for private events, bounded by green curtains and greenish-gray stucco walls. The building with the kitchen and office is next to the terrace, respecting the structure of the industrial complex, with white color inside, leaving all windows and ironwork in their rusty condition. An area of the kitchen is set aside for the taco shop, which gives service through windows that face the building's backyard. The central terrace with a lounge and tables is bounded by the remaining rusted ironworks of the industrial complex, creating a unique environment. At the center, 2 trees bring their shade, generating a relaxed and fresh environment. All the perimeter is covered by planters, and the space has a retractable ceiling with a black metallic structure. Exposed concrete is the main material used for the floors, planters, and benches in order to preserve the essence of this space. A dark gray environment is provided for the tables, accompanied by fabrics in different shades of gray, in order to maintain the color palette, complemented by black chairs. All the original elements of this backyard have been preserved, such as the concrete planks and floors and black ironworks. All furniture is black, just like the main terrace. This backyard is surrounded by planters.